Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to set up a virtual machine on your Windows computer. So,
I love refrigerators.
Mi corazón se estremece y empiezo a tartamudear.
first what you do is open your web browser and type in VirtualBox. Then you open this website called Oracle VM VirtualBox on your computer, and then you press download VirtualBox 6.1, sir. Okay, now wait for it to download, and when it is done downloading, then open the file. So, when the file has opened, all you have to do is press next. Next. You can choose register file associations and stuff like that. I will select only create a shortcut on the desktop and register. Basically, I will choose only create a shortcut on the desktop and press proceed with the installation now and press install. So what you want to do is press install, and now it's done installing. So you click finish. So what you have to do now is download the operating system that you want to install on your VirtualBox. I personally have chosen Windows XP. You can choose a Linux or a Windows Vista or anything you want. I personally will be installing Windows XP. So yes. So what you do now is open VirtualBox on your computer. And here you can see that it has opened. So what you do now is press name the virtual machine whatever you want. I will call it this, and then you choose what operating system will it be. I will choose Microsoft Windows and Windows XP. So now you press next, and then you can allocate how much RAM you will be giving to the virtual machine. I will be giving 4 gigabytes of RAM to the virtual machine. And now what you do now is create a virtual hard disk now and press create. So what you do here is choose VirtualBox disk image. No, you choose virtual hard disk, press next, press dynamically allocated, press next, and then choose how big you want it. I will choose it to be 20 gigabytes and press create. And now as you can see, the virtual machine has been created. What you can do now is go to settings, go to system, go to here in motherboard you can press enable IO API, yes, and then you can go to processor and choose how many cores of your processor do you want to give the operating system. And now we go to display and choose how much of video memory you want to give to your display, to your operating system. I will give 128 megabytes. Top back. the fuck has happened here? What the fuck? I will not call Tek Souport for this shit. I will fix it myself. Okay, so we are back. The problem for me was that my virtualization on my computer was not enabled. So you enable it go by into your computer's BIOS and go into virtualization and you enable it. So now once you have your virtualization enabled, you go to system, motherboard. You know, here is the base memory. You can enable your IO and shit like that. So what you can do is press enable IO APCI, enable it. So what you do now is go to processor and choose how many cores do you want to give to your virtual machine. I will give it 2 cores. Yes, 2 cores. So what you got to do now is go to acceleration and make sure that hardware virtualization is enabled. You can also enable nested AMD virtualization in your extended features here. So what you do now is go to display and choose how much video memory do you want to give your virtual machine. I will give it 128 megabytes. Here is, you know, the storage, audio, shit like that. You can Google it and set it up yourself. So now we are done here. What you do now is shit. The fuck did you have to do now? Oh yeah, what you do now is go to storage and press plus optical drive. Now you go to add, go to where your operating system has been downloaded and choose your operating system ISO file and press choose. Now your ISO file has been enabled. So what you do now is press start. It is now booting. And now you can see that the Windows setup has been started. You can see setup is starting Windows. Okay, so what you do now is press enter. Well, you can just set up your operating system. Every operating system will be different, but I will choose this. Since this is the Windows XP, I will show you how to set up Windows XP. So you press format the partition using the NTFS file system. Press enter and you can see that the setup is formatting. Right now Windows XP is installing on my virtual computer. What the fuck just like this? Oh my god! Oh my god!
Nigga cat, nigga, nigga cat, nigga cat, baby.
Okay, now as you can see the computer is restarting, and now as you can see Windows XP is loading. So now here it is installing Windows. What the fuck? 39 minutes. Shit, my computer will not have enough space to record 39 minutes. Shit. What did see? Let's just wait now. As you can see, it is installing devices on your computer. It's gonna install everything you need to run this virtual machine. Okay. So what you have to do now is type in whatever you name that you want to give your operating system. I will choose it and you can press next. Now you can choose your computer name. I will call it this, and you can give a password. I personally will give a password of Jew. I press next. What you do now is set up your date and time. I'm gonna set it up to I will set it up to December. I will set it up to December 7th, 1946, and a time will be this. So you can set your time zone and shit like that. Press next. Now it will install network on your computer. It seems that the Windows has been installed. So right now it's gonna restart and load Windows XP on my computer. On my virtual computer, I meant. Not the actual computer. So as you can see, it says to improve. Okay, just press OK. And press OK again. Now it will set it up, everything what you need. And as you can see, now you can set up your computer. I will personally choose not right now. I'm gonna press skip. I will press no, not at this time. But you can type in your username, let's say, and press next. And press finish. And now you have successfully installed Windows XP on your virtual machine, and you can already start to use it however you want.
Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god!
So Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and kill.
Send me your dick pics, okay?